Which of the following became the first country in the world to get approval for the commercial production of genetically modified golden rice? The correct answer is B, that is Philippines. The Philippines is the first country to authorize commercial production of this novel species, which has previously obtained food safety certification from authority in Australia, New Zealand, Canada and the United States of America. In Bangladesh, golden rice is also undergoing a final regulatory evaluation. Which of the following chief minister has announced a major shift in his state government's liquor policy, moving away from prohibition to restriction? The correct answer is C, that is Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. So, the ambitious plan of Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy led government in Andhra Pradesh to implement liquor prohibition in a phased manner, leading to total prohibition by 2024. The Central Board of Secondary Education has collaborated with Dash to introduce coding as a new subject for class 6th to 8th and data science as a new subject for class 8th to 12th in the 2021-2022 academic session. The correct answer is E, Microsoft. So, the Central Board of Secondary Education, that is CBSE, in collaboration with Microsoft to introduce a coding as a subject for students of class 6 to 8 and data science curriculum for class 8 to 12 as new scaling subject in the 2021-22 academic session. The World Bank Board of Executive Director has approved Dash support for the Resilient Kerala program to help the state in preparedness against climate change impacts, natural disasters, pandemics and disease outbreaks. The correct answer is A, that is $125 million. So, the state preparedness against natural disaster, climate change, impacts, disease outbreaks and pandemics, the World Bank Board of Executive Directors approved a $125 million program to support Kerala. RBI constituted an advisory group to assist the RRA 2.0 Regulatory Review Authority. This advisory group was headed by Dash. The correct answer is B, that is S. Janki Raman. So, the Reserve Bank of India Regulations Review Authority has constituted a 6-member advisory group headed by S. Janki Raman, Managing Director, State Bank of India, to support it reviewing the central bank's regulation and compliance procedures with a view to streamlining, rationalizing them to make them. National Metrology Conclave 2021 was inaugurated by Dash. The correct answer is A, that is Narendra Modi. So, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi delivered the inaugural address at the National Metrology Conclave 2021 organized by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, National Physical Laboratory, New Delhi, on its 75 years of inception. It is run by Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, National Physical Laboratory. So, it is organized by Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, National Physical Laboratory. For 51st IFFI, that is International Film Festival of India, which of the following countries was chosen as the country in focus? The correct answer is C, that is Bangladesh. So, Bangladesh was the country of focus in the festival with 4 films of the country included in country of focus section. India's first fire park was inaugurated in which of the following places? The correct answer is E, that is Bhubaneswar. So the fire park aimed to spread awareness on fire safety measures and it will be open for public on every Saturday. The park is equipped with all fire safety gears. Demonstrations on use of fire fighting equipments will likely to be given. Who became the first woman fighter pilot to take part in the Republic Day parade? The correct answer is C, that is Bhavna Kant. So Flight Lieutenant Bhavna Kant is said to become the first woman fighter pilot to take part in the Republic Day parade. So Flight Lieutenant Bhavna Kant became the first woman fighter pilot who took part in the Republic Day parade. International Invincible Gold Medal 2021 was received by which of the following person? The correct answer is D, that is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. So Nishank received international honor, dedicates it to COVID warriors. MoMA market for vegetables was launched by Dash. The correct answer is B, that is N. Biren Singh. The Chief Minister of Manipur, N. Biren Singh, has introduced the MoMA Market mobile app, which enables residents to order fresh vegetables and have them delivered to their homes. Which of the following states police launched Mission Hausla? The correct answer is C, that is Uttarakhand. So Uttarakhand police launches Mission Hausla to help COVID-19 patients get oxygen, bed, plasma for COVID-19 patients. Who was appointed as the CEO of National Asset Reconstruction Company? The correct answer is E, that is Padma Kumar M. Nair. Gopabandhu Sambadhika Swasthya Bima Yojana was announced by which of the following state governments? The correct answer is B, that is Odisha. So working journalists in Odisha have been declared frontline COVID-19 warriors by Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik. The announcement was made under the Odisha government's Gopabandhu Sambadhika Swasthya Bima Yojana. More than 6,500 journalists in the state will benefit from this announcement. How many private banks were classified as DSIBs, that is domestic systematically important banks? The correct answer is C, that is 2. So 2 private banks are classified as DSIBs, that is domestic systematically important bank. The bank's name is ICICI and HDFC. And one government bank is also included in it, that is State Bank of India. To clear space debris, a robot prototype NEO-01 was launched by which of the following countries? The correct answer is D, that is China. So the Chinese government has launched a robot prototype named as NEO-01 in the Earth's low orbit on its Long March rocket. The 30 kg robot prototype has been developed by Shenzhen based space mining startup Origin Space. PhonePe received a direct broking license from IRDAI. Which of the following is the parent company of PhonePe? The correct answer is D, that is Flipkart. So Flipkart owned digital payment platform PhonePe has received an insurance broking license for the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Which of the following launched hashtag follow payment distancing campaign? The correct answer is C, that is RuPay. So RuPay, which comes under National Payment Corporation of India, that is, it comes under NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India. and has launched a strategic campaign to promote contactless payments. The campaign is titled #Follow Payment Distancing. Ask consumers to start payment distancing and to switch to contactless digital payment with RuPay contactless card. PFRDA, that is Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, increased the entry age for the NPS, that is National Pension System, from 65 years to dash. The correct answer is E, that is 70 years. So, PFRDA has revised the guidelines on entry and exit and has increased the maximum age for joining the NPS, that is National Pension System, from 65 to 70 years of age. So, before it was 65 years and now it is changed to 70 years. Which of the following trains was renamed as Netaji Express? The correct answer is B, that is Howrah Kalka Mail. So, Kalka Mail is the oldest running train in India. This train connects Howrah in Kolkata and capital of the state of West Bengal to Kalka in the northwestern state of Haryana. Udyam Sarthi app was launched by which of the following person? The correct answer is D, Yogi Adityanath. So, Adityanath launches Udyam Sarthi for youth to explore self-employment opportunities. The app prepared under the ODOP, that is one district, one product. So, it is come under one district and one product and considered to be a master key for exploring self-employment opportunity to the youth. According to the Bloomberg Billionaire Index 2021, which of the following is the second richest person in Asia? The correct answer is E, that is Gautam Adani. So, Ambani ranking has slipped down to second now with a net worth of $87.9 billion in November 2021, and Mukesh Ambani was the wealthiest person in India and Asia, and Gautam Adani was trailing him by about $2.2 billion. What is the rank of New Delhi in the Global Prime Residential Index released by Knight Frank? The correct answer is B, that is 32nd. So, New Delhi rank declined to 32nd among global cities in term of prime residential properties. Sheesh Narayan Singh passed away after the age of 70 years. He was a dash. The correct answer is D, journalist. Sheesh Narayan Singh passed due to the COVID-19 and he was a senior journalist. Which of the following state governments started building forest ponds to harvest rainwater under the Parvat Dhara scheme? The correct answer is C, that is Himachal Pradesh. So, forest ponds are being constructed in Himachal Pradesh to check the depletion of groundwater and to harvest rainwater. So, under the Parvat Dhara scheme, the government has initiated rejuvenation of water sources and recharging aquifers through the forest department with an outlay of rupees 20 crore. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.